All right, it's day 2 in Bangkok, and today we had planned to do a photo shoot to just get some new material, some promo stuff, and it's pouring outside, but we're sticking to the plan. We're just gonna go and find the secret location, which... So I just spent like an hour doing my hair and makeup, and now we just remembered that we have to walk to the ATM to get cash for our Grab driver, and it's rainy and stuff, so yeah, ladies, you understand. I'm like, why do we do it in this order? I don't know, but we're gonna go on a mission. Who cares? I'm gonna go with the flow. We're gonna go walk to the ATM. We like using an ATM that's like inside the bank instead of the ones that are on the street. So we're gonna go for a little walk, and then we're gonna get in the Grab. We're going on about 30-minute ride outside of the heart of Bangkok for our photo shoot. Okay, Uber is not allowed in Bangkok at the moment. I know it used to be, but it's not now. So we are gonna get the Grab app and get a driver to take us to our photo shoot location. Nelson is trying to work with the guys so we can figure out where we're going, because there's no physical address number, just a road and the name of the place that other vloggers have mentioned on YouTube. That's all we really have, so we're gonna go find it. So supposedly there is a family that lives on the property, and to get through the fence to get to the airplanes, you have to give in cash 200 baht each. And we'll see if they let us in today. It's rainy. We don't know exactly where we're going. We don't know if we're even gonna be able to get in when we get there, but we're sticking to the mission because we wanna get off the tourist track. We don't wanna do the touristy stuff. We wanna get some really unique photos, and Nelson's ready.
Yes.
Yes. There's soy dogs, and Nelson's freaking me out because dogs are following us. They stopped. We made it to the airplane graveyard. So the family over there in the little hut charged us 200 baht to come in, and you come in this little fence right there. And then I don't think we have a lot of time, so we need to just get our pictures and go, because the family actually lives here on the property. So let's go find some spots to do some yoga photos. Nelson's getting his camera equipment ready, and we're gonna go check this out. So cool. We could be okay, but I dream that we can fly. You wanna go back, wanna go back. You wanna go back to a place where we can hide. You wanna stay there, wanna stay there. You wanna stay there, we can leave the pain behind. Okay, we are leaving airplane graveyard. Family lives right here. See if we can tell them thank you. Thank you.
To a little boy, it'll be cool, right? Some water.
So, okay, we're gonna stop and get some water. Really, outside of the airplane graveyard, the neighborhood is really nice. There's actually like a school. There's no tourist stuff here. This is a local neighborhood. So, we just found a 7-Eleven. We're gonna get some water. Everybody on YouTube and TripAdvisor is saying that these 7-Eleven Toasties are like the hangover cure of all time. So we just came outside of the airplane graveyard and to do a photo shoot. Oh, maybe he wants you to smell it?
Oh.
Or touch it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I don't know. It's supposed to be nice and soft.
We don't.
If you want it, yeah, it does.
We don't know what he's asking, but we just want to try a little piece.
It's 224 baht for that.
So one little tip about the airplane graveyard is to not show up with all your camera equipment out because it just looks kind of threatening, I guess. We showed up with everything in our backpacks and they let us in with no problem, and then we got the cameras out once we moved away from where the family was living and kind of went into the airplane itself. So just a little tip. I remember like 4 or 5 years ago, I found this place that was a 24-hour mango shop when I was researching places I wanted to visit in Bangkok. And on our first trip here, I never got to see it. And yesterday we were walking around the Thong Lor neighborhood and we just stumbled across it by accident. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is the mango place I've always wanted to go to. So we're gonna go get some mangoes right now.
Okay, I am being Instagram husband right now. And this is Michelle. She been wanting to come here.
And mango sticky rice.
We gotta go inside?
Okay, we got all these mangoes. We got sticky rice in here. I'm not sure what I'm getting, but I'm getting something.
This guy's cool, excuse me. Sorry. Oh, that's like the coconut rice. Hi. God, this is so cool. That's so awesome. Happy wife, happy life.
I love mangoes.
Michelle talking to her yoga buddies.
Yeah, we'll try. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Water and sticky rice.
Let's do it. The hotel. And we're way up there.
The time has come for my first mango sticky rice of the trip.
Put this?
I know, we're supposed to put the syrup on it. I guess we should. I was trying to be healthy and just, but let's do it the right way.
I want to try this mango, hurry up.
All right, go ahead, give it a try.
Nah, I just want to try the mango. Man, it looks delicious.
Maybe just grab it with your fingers.
Amazing. No, literally, I'm not being exagerado. You're gonna love it.